Mica blender. It has this and it also has this. Let's open and see. So the first one, we have this blender jar. It's 1.7 liters. It has a lid, and in this lid there is a cap, removable. Then we have this grinder. This is the grinder. The one used for milling spices or anything else you might want to do with that. For me, I use it mainly for spices. So that one is the lid. Then is where you put the spices for milling. This jar is unbreakable. It's also big. I think it's a good one. This is now the base. So this base has up to 4 power levels. I think that one must be very powerful. Can give you powerful blending. So first of all, I'm going to test the grinder. I'm going to put some pilau masala or spices for making pilau inside. Then I'm going to test it. Just a reminder, all this equipment, I have washed it. I've washed the grinder, I've washed the blender and dried them. Just for the purposes of showing it, I did not fully wash it. So confirmed, this one is working perfectly well. My pilau masala is ready and it's very fine ground, as you can see. And it takes less than 1 minute to do that. Don't let it run for more than a minute. For the blender, I'm going to use this pineapple that I've already peeled and chopped. So I'm just going to put them inside and then start blending. This is what was available. You can use any other fruit that you love to blend. So I'm going to show you that's open, closed, and then that type of closing you can use it to pour, but for this I'm going to close, and then I'm going to start with the first power level, just like that. Then later on I'm going to increase the speed to second power level. Remember to add some water to make the blending easy. And because of that water, I also added a tablespoon of sugar. That's all for today. See you in the next one.